Here I will give you JavaScript engine. What I will give you? JavaScript engine. Sir, what is this JavaScript engine? A JavaScript engine is used to execute a JavaScript on a browser window, in a browser window. JavaScript in a browser window. So tell me, you are writing one script. You are writing one script here. See this. This is our JavaScript code. So who is executing this script code in the browser? JavaScript engine. So JavaScript engine is used to execute JavaScript in a browser window. It is used to convert a user understandable scripting language to machine understandable scripting language. So now tell me, you are writing this one. Now tell me, this is also scripting language. So who will understand this scripting language? User. It's a user understandable scripting, but JavaScript engine will convert to machine understandable scripting language. Okay, sir. Every browser contains by default, let me say by default, every browser contains a JavaScript engine. So you don't worry, sir. Every browser is having JavaScript engine. So let's say we have following list of JavaScript engines. So what I will do, I will give one browser here. And here I will give what here? JavaScript engine. So first I will go for what here? So let's say I'm going for what? Chrome. Chrome means what happens, you know? Chrome is there. Mozilla. I can say Mozilla. Firefox, that only. And even we have what here? Microsoft Edge. Even we have what here? Opera. Okay, like this we have multiple, sir, multiple. So see this, Chrome means it is having what here? V8 engine. V8 engine. So I will give you one simple example to you. To believe my words. Chrome JavaScript engine. So what's the name it is? V8 engine. Yes or not, tell me? Yes. Mozilla is having what here? Mozilla is having what here? Spider monkey. 1 second, guys. I'm going for what here? Mozilla. What is there here? Spider monkey. Spider monkey. Edge is having what here? Edge is having, I think, Chakra. Okay, so let me go to the what here. What is that one? Edge. Microsoft Edge. What is available? Chakra. So let me give what here? Chakra. Opera is having what here? V8 engine, Spider monkey, Chakra, Opera. Opera is having okay, I don't know, sir. 1 second, my mind is not working. So let me go for what here? Opera. Opera, something is there here. Opera Java is called Karakan. Okay. So like this is there here. So different having different guys. Understood my point here now? So different browser is having what here? JavaScript engine. So you don't need to arrange separately. So if you have browser, then means you have JavaScript engine. And that JavaScript engine is responsible to execute JavaScript in a browser window.